Go out with your friends as much as you could because we're not getting any younger. Eventually, most of us will go into our separate ways. So while we still have today, make sure that it's a day to remember. Collect as many stories as you could to share one day. Love yourself on a deeper level and share it with the people around you. Say what you feel, don't keep everything inside. Time will never stop, and when you get older, you're gonna look back and miss it. So live in the moment and be free.
Just remember, there was once a younger version of you that didn't think you'd make it here to today. But they're looking at you now, very proud and very thankful. Keep going.
Life is so fleeting, isn't it? You can be happy, things are going great, and then a sudden bolt of lightning can wipe it all out.
Yeah, that's true.
Well, life is for the living, right?
Nakikita daw niya mukha niya. Bakit? May camera ba yun? Yung Jollibee. Ano ba yun? Si Jollibee. Si Jollibee daw nung ano. Pag-hiking. Si Jollibee pag-hiking. Chismis. Si Chismis na natawa.
Soft kitty, warm kitty, little ball of fur. Happy kitty, sleepy kitty.
Huwag kayo sumigaw. Lapit niya.
Ay, boss.
Ano, girl?
Boyang, umupo ka sa
Ayaw ko,
upuan.
girl. Dito na lang ako. Dito na lang.
Baka malaglag ang phone mo. Kaya nga.
Paano pangalagyan yung phone mo? No phone na, ngadagdaan na. Bye-bye phone. Sabi mo, bye-bye phone. Nakuha sa video. Buti na lang. Nasa baba ako. Nasaray sa buhay.
Ala, napakahirap naman ang daan na ito. Lagi mo ito. Ito na po kami.
Parang nasaray sa buhay.
Napakahirap naman ang daan na ito. Lagi mo ito. Ito na po kami. Hala, na po. May tubig dun.
Okay lang daw.
Kaya mo, laki nito. Mahal pati nito.
Yari ka, mahal daw, sabi ni Avery.
Yan. Avery, sa'yo. Ano na?
Ayun o, tinan mo yung daan. Ano talaga siya? Kaya pala matagal.
Ayan, may tubig na siya.
Sa'yo yung anak ko. Kaya gusto ko siya kasama para ma-experience.
Tubig, putik yan. Hindi tubig.
Wala naman lulubog.
Ayan po, papunta na po kami doon.
Kami na yung mga.
Ang puso po niya.
Ayun o, dun sila. Ay,
Diyan din tayo.
Dito din, me. Dito din, me.
Parang ma-stop sila.
Ayun o,
Ayun
ganda.
na, nak.
Maahon na kami sa Baguio.
Thank you, Apuan!
Welcome to 25 Life Lessons from a Bad Bitch who's 25. It's currently raining right now, so if you feel a little sprinkles coming down, it's because of the rain. I thought it life lessons from a bad bitch that's 25. Bad bitches are greater than bitches, so be a bad bitch. Be delusional. Your mind is your reality. Have hobbies. Make money with said hobbies. Surround yourself with like-minded people. Pay your taxes. Don't let white people fill in the blank. Don't let straight people fill in the blank. Take care of other life, like plants and animals. Always go back to childhood and heal. Be nice to everyone. Not kind, be nice. Don't buy expensive jewelry, which is a great lesson, honestly. Always write shit down. Watch how you speak to yourself. Speak to yourself very kindly, everyone. Family members don't really borrow money. That wasn't really a lesson, that was more of a life realization. Bickering with siblings is good, great even, but fighting is a waste of time. Yeah, I don't really be fighting my siblings anymore, girl. It's such a waste of fucking time.
As in,
Your mom is the only real ass bitch in this world. Drink lots of water. You're not nervous. You're excited.
Kakain tayo, mga
Trust your
alas 10 na.
instincts. You are too protected and loved not to.
Wala si
Don't
Karen,
take shit
wala
too
si Ate
personal.
Kat.
Not everything is about you. This one is probably gonna be one of my life lessons that I'm gonna keep learning because what the fuck do you mean not everything is about me, bitch? Like, I'm a Leo. What? Like, yes, everything is about me. Like, what? Next. Don't feel bad when you're tired/lazy. Slow down. Being the cool, beautiful, amazing, and rich aunt is a full-time job. Again, not a lesson, just a realization. / reminder, honestly. Always be grateful and have gratitude. Stop, be grateful, and cry, which is usually the process that I like to do. And lastly, but not the leastly, be yourself. It's what got you here today, and be 100% unapologetically Bretman motherfucking Rock. Everything, everywhere, all at once. Wait, I just said everywhere. I don't know why I said everything.
Parang ano lamang. Makaganda rin yan.
Rest house yan.
Alam na, tapos yung lamig pa rin sa likod ako.
Kanina, oo.
Ako yun.
May ikaw talaga. Kalahati ng kumot, tsaka kalahati ng ano yun.
Nasa likod. Malamig ka na.
Eh kasi makamog din. Basta nga ang...
Chinelas. Paglabas ko. Fuck.
Oh, na... Ano?
Sabay na.
Tawag doon sa ano? Sa bahay ng duwende.
Sabi niya.
Sabagay, iba naman ang ito yung medyo maliwalas ko yung nasa mo. Pero
Ano gagawin natin? Ano po masasabi niyo? Hey guys! Happy birthday update daw.
Mahapdi rin sa inyo.
Kasi yung akin malagkit lang.
Pero mainit na tumubig eh.
Papalit na ako.
Bata mo yung dragon.
Yan.
Baka ako naubusan sa tangke.
You just made it through your first crossing over, sort of.
Wow. That's a feeling.
Tao?
Just to know you brought somebody a little peace, even by accident.
Look, I don't want you to ever feel like you don't make a difference. Or that I can make more of a difference than you. Sometimes it's just about the little things.
May pangalan
The
ka
things
ba?
that you do day in and day out. The things that you do every single day. That's what makes a real difference in the world.
You heard me talking to that ghost, didn't you?
A little.
Let's go home.
Apo, diyan po. Yan. Bebe, padahan si ate. Ah! My gosh, my gosh, my gosh! Saan ba daw magpipicture? My gosh! Hindi po ba siya maninita? Ayan, maganda nga dito.
You just made it through your first crossing over, sort of.
Wow. That's a feeling. I mean, just to know you brought somebody a little peace, even by accident.
Look, I don't want you to ever feel like you don't make a difference. Or that I could make more of a difference than you. Sometimes it's just about the little things. The things that you do day in and day out.
Hindi yan. Tama si ate.
The things that you do every single day.
Wow. Awag ka dun sa ano. Yan, yan, yan.
That's
Huwag ka
what
dun,
makes a real
lalakad.
difference in the
Kasama mo si
world.
mami. Kasama mo
You heard
mami.
me talking to that ghost, didn't you?
Kasama mo
A little.
Wow.
Let's go home.
Okay ni mami. Ay ni mami. Wow.
MC. In a place to be.
I know that you've been waiting for it, I'm waiting too. In my imagination, I'll be all up on you. I know you got that fever for me, 102. And boy, I know I feel the same, my temperature's through the roof. If it's a camera up in here, then it's only you with me when I do, I do. If it's a camera up in here, then I best not catch just flick on YouTube, YouTube. Close up your on your mouth and brag about your secret rendezvous. I will hunt you down. Cause baby, I'm up in my business like a wedding interview. But this is private.
I don't see nobody but you. Boy, you got me hooked onto something. Who could say that they saw us coming? Tell me, do you feel the love?